Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my August update for Alice in Wonderpan. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab created by Allie, who is Wonder in Allie Land. It started March 5th, 2022 and goes through March 4th, 2023. You do need to be a member of the Fantastic Ladies to join so you can get the prompts. All the information is down below. I need to wear some glasses so I can see something. So yeah, I restarted keto on Monday, August 1st. I'll link my At Home with Misty channel down below if you're even a little bit curious. But if you didn't know, when your blood sugars are elevated, that can mess with your vision. So when my blood sugars start to normalize again, I have issues with my vision, and that's where we're at right now. So normally I would be able to see a little bit without my glasses, but that's not what's happening now. So anyway, enough of that. Let's get started. I'm gonna be looking to my right because that is where the computer is. So let's start with first one, Alice, childlike product, scent, flavor, packaging, etc. I brought in this. This is the Rare Beauty Mini Blush in the shade Hope. As of the last update, I'd used this 17 times. I've used it 6 more times for a total of 23. There's still no line of demarcation. It still comes out, so I don't know when this will finish. I never did weigh it. I may end up taking the stopper out just to see how we're doing, although again, there is so much product left. This is a beautiful blush though. Like if you have an opportunity to pick it up, it's a gorgeous neutral, like really, really pretty. I really wish Selena would come out with all of her blushes in these little mini sizes because Lord knows the big ones take forever. So my goal is actually to finish that. We'll see what happens. Next, we have a Blue Caterpillar that I didn't even start. That is the Benefit Professional White Rabbit, a product you were late buying. That's this. This is a Fenty Gloss Bomb. I want to say this is in like Fenty Glow or whatever. I am throwing this away. I literally touched it today for the first time since the last update. This is too gloopy for me. It's so gloopy. It's so gloopy. It's gloopy. It's sticky. I don't like the taste of it. I just don't like it. So I'm going to go ahead and let this go. This is going to be a declutter. Yeah. I've just decided that I'm just not going to mess around with things that I don't like. I started the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in, I think, child of the 80s. It tastes like Hawaiian tropic suntan oil, and it's not supposed to. So I'm like, anything I'm gonna get rid of. That's all you need to know. Misty. Next, Curiouser and Curiouser, a product that you use for a purpose other than what it's intended. And I brought in this. This is the NYX Chromatic Highlighter. I used this 4 times. My goal is to use it 10. It's beautiful. If you saw the purple eye look I did the other day with the pink shirt, this was actually what was in my inner corner. This update last month, I was wearing it as a halo eye in the center. It's really, really pretty, but I don't need another eyeshadow. Like I have a ton of these, but when I bought this to do a full face of NYX, and I hadn't heard anything good about their eyeshadow. I thought, well, I can use this as an eyeshadow, but no. No. Once I finish the goal in here, I'm going to pass it along. It's just way too dark and I don't need another eyeshadow. Famous last words. Oh, fool. Okay, off with her head, a hair care item. I brought in this. This is the Not Your Mother's Scalp Scrub. As of the last update, this was $192. It is now $141. I actually used it today. I really enjoy this. Someone asked me if it had like a floral scent. It doesn't. It smells, I don't know. It's kind of gender neutral. I don't find it to be too feminine or too masculine, even though you guys know what I mean. It's gender neutral and it's not florally at all. I enjoy this. I know not everybody likes it, but I feel like it works the best for me. It is a pre-shampoo. I believe the one from Briogeo is actually a shampoo. It just wasn't gritty enough for me. So yeah, my goal is to finish that. We are making moves. Painting the Roses Red. That was a red nail polish. This is also going to be a declutter. So I mentioned that I don't wear polish. I actually got these done today. I cut them real short because today is August the 8th and the last time I had them done was June 29th. It had grown out so much. But I get dip, so I don't use nail polish. I only use nail polish on my toes, and I haven't gotten a pedicure because, anyway, I don't use nail polish. So I brought in a Ulta Jelly kind of lip balm. It is the most drying thing ever in your life, so I've decluttered that too. I don't know if I'm going to bring something in for this prompt again or just let it go. So yeah, I feel like I'm all over the place. It could be that I've had this coffee today. Been on a cold brew kind of kick, let me tell you. Okay, next, why sometimes I believed as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast. A product with an impossible goal. And I brought in this. This is the Mower Bronzer. This is in the color Golden Glow. This is beautiful. And you can see I've got some usage on it. My goal initially was to wear off the pattern. Now I'm trying to hit pan. I'll try to see if I can find the picture in the video I took. I've only used this 6 times since the last update. The last update I've used it 23 and I've used it 6 since then for a total of 29. It's really pretty. It is just a bit deep for me, but it's really pretty, and I mix it with one that's kind of a bit more matte. I just haven't been reaching for it because I'm trying to get usage on one that's in Get Baked, and I update Get Baked this month. So anyway, my goal is to hit pan. It's an impossible goal. I don't know that it's ever going to happen in my lifetime. We'll see. Next, Cheshire Cat, a lip product. I brought in this. This is the NARS American Woman. And my goal is to finish this. I can't really make a new mark. It's been laying on its side, but it's what is on the lips today. It's a really pretty color. This is a little bit old because it's separated. Like half of it poured out onto my notebook, but well, the oil did, so I have to shake it to put it on. But it's a beautiful color. I've topped it with a gloss. It's actually one that I would buy. I don't mind that formula from NARS, but I am not in the market for a new lipstick. So yeah. Next, Jabberwocky, a product from a brand you no longer buy from, a person you no longer support because they are evil. Ha ha ha. I brought in this. This is the Juvia's Place eyebrow pen, and I was like, it's not working. I haven't had another issue with it, and I'm still storing it upside down or on its side like this. And my goal is to finish this. I haven't been weighing it or anything. I really enjoy this. It is a bit red. That's why I have it, because at the moment my hair, well, it's up right now because it's still hot as balls in Texas. And I wasn't going to wear my hair down and go someplace today. So, yeah, but I enjoy it. It works well. I like it better than the NYX one. I like the tip a bit better, but my favorite is still the Milani one. I just wish Milani would come out with more colors because I think they have 3, and that's just not enough. That's just not enough. And last but not least is, oh no, wait, White Queen. Forgot to mark it. Yeah. White Queen, a product that makes you feel mature, poised, elegant, and I said that skincare really makes me feel like I'm a grown-up even though I'm 44. I brought in this. This is the Vichy 89. You can see where we were and where we are. I'm only using this at night because I have one from CosRx. Yeah, I have one from CosRx that I'm using during the day. So my goal is to finish this. I think we could probably have this in empty by the next update. And then last but not least, Why is a Raven Like a Writing Desk? That was a Give Me product. I did finish that. I finished the Yerba Mate from Good Molecules. I've already put it in my empties bin. I've already said I'll probably have 5 or 6 of these in my empties at the end of the year because I love it just so much. It's a caffeinated eye gel, and I just feel like it really does a good job of depuffing my under eyes and my eye hoodies. So that is it. I'm not rolling anything in because I really don't have anything to roll in. And yeah, so yeah. I've got some products that are in it for the long haul. Let me take my glasses off so I can talk to you. I don't powder my face enough because I just don't like to. Anyway, I hope this should be done. This will be done. This may be done. I don't know. I should have the Fenty done, not the Fenty, the Benefit. And next month we may roll some new things in. But yeah, that's it. Pretty boring. I apologize. I'm all over the place. I apologize. Caffeinated Misty is caffeinated. I can't help it. But that's it. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you're new around these parts, hi, welcome. I am Misty and this is normal. I used to say this was weird and all the other things, but nah, this is just normal. It's just normal. It'll be okay. Anyway, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I am at Misty Pans. Be sure to check out everybody else that's doing this project. I hope you have a good day, night, week, wherever you are. I love your faces and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. That was like the worst update of all the updates, Misty Living. Misty Loving, Misty Loving.